Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover and display enclosure. Removal: carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the hard disk drive ZIF connector and disconnect the hard disk drive ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Lift the hard disk drive assembly out of the cradle on the display panel assembly and guide the hard disk drive ribbon cable out from under the heatsink. Remove the hard disk drive assembly and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the hard disk drive assembly from the static dissipative bag. Guide the hard disk drive ribbon cable under the heatsink and lower the hard disk drive assembly into the cradle on the display panel assembly. Insert the hard disk drive ribbon cable into the hard disk drive ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.